It's Vlogmas, baby.
What is up, guys? We're back at it. Vlogmas day 3. Gonna pop open the advent calendar. It's over here. Today, it's gonna be a little sit down video, but I will get, as you saw by the title, it's gonna be sit down. But I'll get to that later in the video. For now, kiss time, and we're gonna be working on my brother's truck, kind of get situated. I had a 16-piece of rock lights laying down, as you all may know, and we're gonna try to install it in his truck, kind of lay it out, see what's up. Yeah, and also let's see what today has in store. As y'all saw by the videos, here's my brother. I'm gonna show y'all his new haircut. It's pretty fire, honestly. Got everything laid out. It is a 16-piece. Got the wires here. We're gonna try to get the wires first before we start taking anything off, just because this truck is, he has a 6-inch clearance. It's a 3.5, but in this models the frame sits so low, it's crazy. This actually used to be my truck, but y'all can follow him on Instagram. Let me show y'all his fresh fade. Honestly, it's pretty fire. So shout out to Champ's Barbershop, Los Fresnos. Actually, later in this month, we should be going to an event that's gonna have a barber competition. So I'm excited for that. Never been to one. So yeah, let's get this situated, guys, and hopefully we can install them so y'all can see it at the end. So guys, the Grinch, we have power. Connect all of them, bro. Bring all of them. So we're able to splice some stuff. We're losing daylight, so we might only do this side for today, leave the other side for tomorrow or from another day. But we got power, we got ground. I have wiggle room to run all this down either way. Yo, what the cat doing? So I just want to make sure right now, before we're actually going to do a little trip to Walmart, because we need self-tapping tools before we start taking any of the wheels off. Just because I want to do wheel 4, put the wheel back, and do this side as well, like that, just so we don't have the truck up too long. But yeah, we got power. I'll pick it up once we connect all 8. There's gonna be 8 on this side and 8 on that side. Well, guys, we got all 8 set up.
You see like a parrot?
Yeah, try to pair it. So right now he's gonna, these are FCK lights. These are actually a sponsorship I got a while back. I just never installed them. I literally had them in the garage. But he's trying to pair it right now. So yeah, guys, now that we know we got power, he's gonna check. I don't know, he's having some trouble with the app. So yeah, let me let you pick it up right now when we're fully paired. He fully was able to pair it, and pretty much just, you could do any colors you see right there. The pink ones looks fire with the truck, you see, because this is gonna be in there, so the chrome's gonna help it. But as of now, we're good to go. We're gonna turn it off, turn off all the lights.
Oh, look.
Yeah, you can dim it. And we're gonna turn off the lights. I'm gonna get dressed because I'm in, like, as you see, I'm gonna put on a fit. We're gonna head to Walmart. But can you turn it off from there? Can you turn it off so we don't have to disconnect? There you go, and that's all. So we'll be going to Walmart, and we're gonna leave this here. Hopefully no one comes by. But yeah, guys, I just end up throwing in some jeans. Oh, the flash is on. Whatever. Walmart. We need some self-tapping screws, and yeah, let's get it. Actually, I pumped gas before this, but we got the screws, and I'm gonna take a look. Well, guys, after there it is. We're gonna mess all this wiring tomorrow morning, just because sun's out. But there is a mystery case over there, like on that side. So I'm gonna put on some gloves. We're gonna walk over there. But right now, let's drop the truck, see how it looks. Let me know, guys. I can't tell if there's anything in there. I doubt it. I don't want to touch it because...
Get up like that.
Oh shit! There's nothing in there. Wow, we've been bamboozled. So I'm gonna eat something. I'll show you what's on the menu for today, and then we're gonna actually sit down and compare the two, from the Air Force one to the Walmart one. Well, guys, we decided to stay home today. Got some limon chips that'll be used like scoops. Got picadillo, branched out beans, corn. Corn! It's the most beautiful thing. It's corn. I got this lemonade, and I got salsa here. Royal's making a taco salad, and yeah, about to actually play this damn thing that I hardly use. I'm not flexing. Shout out to my parents. This was last year's Christmas gift, but we just hardly have time to play. Me and Roy about to suit up. I will get some clips and stuff. I usually kick this guy's butt, so yeah. I'm the Rams, Royal is the Cowboys. Look at this interception. Hey guys, well, as you see, back in the room. I don't think I filmed here in a while, like a sit down video. But I went to the mail and actually got this package in. You guessed it, from Whatnot. But it's a toy mystery box, so could this be what you all can get your kids for Christmas? Shout out to Joshua Parrish. I do not know his Whatnot, like his app, but the first mystery, you have a Pony Express, like 18-wheeler, and it has like 4 horses, which is pretty, like the 4 horsemen. Like, are they resembling that? But here you go, pretty cool, something different to unbox. This is the back. Something different. I don't think I've ever done toys. And a diary, which is funny. Oh, this thing flips up. It's like one of those like things like that. So this is totally random. I remember, like I said, it was like one of those like random auctions that you win just randomly. The pen's pretty cool. It's got a diamond on it. This is what it looks like. So yeah, make sure to, let's see. Make sure y'all like the video. But what y'all been waiting for, sneakers. These obviously have been through hell. These actually were taken with me when I went to Dallas, Austin a while back. I need to get back out there, like now that I'm actually YouTubing and stuff. But it's a standard Air Force. Is it me, or when the midsole starts swelling up is when it's getting close to popping? Like, is it me, or like does that happen to your pairs too? Do y'all even keep your pairs that long that it pops? But the Walmart shoe right here that we'll be doing a second video with, but I kind of wanted to compare them. Qualities, obviously the Air Force leather is leather. This is like vinyl, I guess. It's like folk leather, like fake leather. The overall toe cap is practically the same. Like this, the shape. As you can see there. The back. This one has a double stitching. This one doesn't, but pretty much the same. The sides. The sides. This one kind of looks like a Dunk more than the Air Force, but everything else is practically the same. Like even the midsole feels the same. These were like $14.99, I think it was. Yeah, $14.99. I just dropped the other one, but the bottoms. This one has like circles, like crop circles. This one's got like wavies. Obviously, I would choose the white Air Force over anything. But this is cool to see. Like for, I understand how not everyone can afford now $100 shoe. Because if y'all don't know, Nike did raise up their prices. This is now an $100 shoe. The premium is $110, I believe. No, I lied. The prices are now $110. Premium is $120 because they went up $10. So they were $99.99. Now they're $109.99, which is $110. But let me know, like, is it still a $100 sneaker? Because now you can afford. Now y'all can buy Dunks for $90, literally. So stay tuned for what I'm gonna do with this shoe. It's gonna be Christmassy. Hopefully you all liked the video. Toys were random, but it's just like this channel, random, and just give it what it takes, right? Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for continuing Vlogmas with me, and stay blessed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram. These toys, I don't know if they may or may not be on the eBay store. I doubt it, because we do have like little girls in the family, so that might go to them for Christmas. I doubt they watch this channel, and if they do, well, just act surprised, please. Again, thank y'all for watching. Stay blessed. Happy holidays.